So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Pudgy Penguins, ticker symbol PENGU, on Kraken. So once Kraken's opened up, go to the bottom right, press buy crypto. Then in the search bar right here, type in a ticker symbol PENGU, and then press on Pudgy Penguins. On this page, type the amount that you're looking to buy. I'll do $20 as an example. And you can also edit the payment method you're looking to pay with. So in this case, Apple Pay for me. If you want to proceed, press on the purple arrow. On this page right here, you can confirm the amount, the price, the fee, and the total that you will be paying, as well as the payment method right here, in this case, Apple Pay for me. And if all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on the purple confirm button to proceed that way with the transaction if you want to. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy Pudgy Penguins, ticker symbol PENGU, on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.